Tele2 mobile operator full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Tele2 products are available in the description below. Tele2 is a prominent mobile operator that provides affordable and reliable mobile services across several countries in Europe. Known for its competitive pricing, Tele2 offers a range of plans designed to meet the needs of various users, from casual consumers to heavy data users. Its focus on simplicity and cost-effectiveness makes it an attractive option for individuals looking to save on their mobile services without compromising on quality. One of Tele2's key strengths is its focus on value for money. The operator provides competitive pricing on both prepaid and postpaid plans, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious consumers. Tele2 also offers various data bundles, ensuring flexibility for those who need more or less data depending on their usage patterns. With widespread 4G LTE coverage in many regions, users can enjoy fast internet speeds, ideal for streaming, browsing, and social media. Additionally, Tele2 has a straightforward and easy-to-understand billing system, allowing customers to monitor their usage and avoid unexpected charges. However, Tele2 does have some weaknesses to consider. While the 4G coverage is extensive, its 5G network rollout is not as advanced as some competitors, which may be a disadvantage for users looking for cutting-edge speeds and performance. The operator also faces occasional network congestion in densely populated areas, which can affect the quality of service during peak hours. Furthermore, Tele2's customer support can be hit or miss, with some customers reporting longer wait times for assistance. In conclusion, Tele2 is a solid choice for those seeking affordable mobile plans with decent coverage and good value for money. Its strengths lie in its low-cost offerings and simple plans, making it ideal for price-sensitive customers. However, if you're after the latest technology, particularly in 5G, or require premium customer support, you may want to consider other options. For more details, check out the links in the description and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.